Good morning, students. Business Maths. Today topic is normal distribution. Continuation. Recall the definition. Recall the definition of normal distribution. A random variable X is said to follow the normal distribution with the mean mu, standard deviation sigma, then f of x equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi a to the power of minus x minus mu whole square divided by 2 sigma square. The denominator sigma is always positive. X is in between minus infinity less than x less than infinity, and mean is in between minus infinity less than mu less than infinity. Okay. Now Ex number 7.3, remaining problem. Sum number 7. X is the normal distributed with a mean 12 and a standard deviation 4. Find P of x is less than or equal to 20. Number 2, P of 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 12. Number 1, given mean mu is equal to 12. Standard deviation is 4. St sigma is equal to 4 is given. First, he wants to find number 1, P of x is less than or equal to 20. X is equal to, first Z is a normal variate, then Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. In this case x is 20 minus mu is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. P of x is less than or equal to 20 is equal to P of change x into Z. Z is less than or equal to 2. Draw the diagram. Middle, x equal to mu, z is equal to 0. Now z is equal to is 2. This side infinity, this side minus infinity. So z is less than or equal to 2. So z is equal to is this, less than or equal to means z is less than or equal to 2. It's equal to probability of minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to 2. So minus infinity less than minus infinity less than z less than 0 plus probability of 0 is less than or equal to z less than or equal to 2. So 0 is less than minus infinity. So minus infinity is less than 0. This side. We know that 0.5 half portion, area of the normal distribution curve, half portion is 0.5. First say, using the table we have 0.4772 is equal to 0.9772. Next, question number 2. Probability of 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. X is 0, 0 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 12 by 4 is minus 3. Next, when x is equal to 12, z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma is equal to 12 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Now the diagram is x equal to mu, z equal to 0. Next, minus 3 and 0. So left hand side minus 3, z equal to minus 3. This side minus infinity plus infinity are in between these two. So the area is, the shaded portion is area. Okay. Now this will be probability of 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12 is equal to, in terms of z, 0 means minus 3. So probability of minus 3 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 12 means 0 is equal to probability of minus infinity to 0 minus infinity to minus 3. Okay, so the region is 0 to minus 3. In terms of symmetry, 0 to plus 3. So this can be written as probability of 0 is less than or equal to z less than or equal to positive 3. Why? This region can be draw right hand side of this. So area is positive, therefore we can take this side. Next line, using the table symmetry we can write this line. Using the table 3, normal table 0.4987. Answer is if the height of 500 students are normally distributed with a mean 68.0 inches and a standard deviation 3.0 inches. How many 3 students have height? Number 1, greater than 72 inches. Number 2, less than or equal to 64 inches. Number 3, between 65 and 71 inches. There are 3 questions. Number 1. Even total number of, if the height of 500 students, 500 students, next mean is 68 inches. So mean is equal to mean mu is equal to 68 inches. Next, standard deviation sigma is equal to, standard deviation sigma is 33.0 inches. So 3 inches. or 3.0 inches, 68.0 inches. Okay, the first question number 1 is probability of greater than the height greater than 72 inches. So P of x is greater than 70 and x is equal to 72. The normal variable z is equal to 72 minus x minus mu. Mu is 68 divided by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1.33. Next diagram. Probability of P of x is greater than 72 means in terms of z, probability of z is greater than 1.33. Z is greater than 1.33. Z is equal to 0, x equal to mu. Greater than means right hand side, positive infinity, negative infinity. Right hand side 1.33. Z is equal to 1.33. Now P of greater than means this side, so the shaded portion is this area. Okay, P of x is greater than 72 is equal to P of z is greater than 1.33. This means 0 to infinity minus 0 to this. So P of 0 is greater than 0 to infinity. So 0 is 0 to infinity. So 0 is less than, z is less than infinity minus probability of 0 is less than, z is less than 1.33. The full portion is at 0 to infinity minus 0 to this vacant place, empty space, gives this result. Is equal to 0.5 minus, using the normal distribution table, 1.33 is 0.4082. This means is equal to 45.0918. The question is have a greater than 72 inches. So probability of one student, having the height greater than 72 is 0.0918, but in the given problem 500 students. So out of 500 students having the height greater than 72 is 500 into 0.0918 is equal to 45.9, approximately 46. Okay. Next, B. This is A. Next, B. P of probability of less than or equal to 64 inches. So P of x is less than or equal to 64. Take x is equal to 64 when x equal to 64, the normal variety z is equal to x minus 64 minus mu is 68 divided by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1.33. Next, probability of x less than or equal to 64 in terms of normal variety z, probability of z is less than or equal to minus 1.33. This minus 1.33 can be written in the form of diagram first. This is equal to 0. This side is it's equal to minus 1.33. So less than this portion is equal to probability of x is less than or equal to 64 is equal to probability of minus infinity less than z less than 0 from minus infinity to 0 minus this portion probability of minus 1.33 less than z less than 0 minus infinity to 0 minus this portion gives the shaded portion is equal to, by symmetry this can be at positive turning, so 0.5 minus probability of 0 is less than z is less than 1.33. This can be written as 0.5 minus, using the normal distribution table, 1.33 is 0.4082. Subtracting we get 0.0918. Probability of one student having height less than 64 is less than or equal to 64 is 0.0918. Out of 500 students having a height less than or equal to is 500 into 0.0918 is equal to 46 inches approximately. 46 inches approximately. Next, question number 9. In a photographic process, the developing time of prints may be looked upon as a random variable having the normal distribution with a mean of 16.28 and a standard deviation of 0.12 seconds. The question is, find the probability that it will take less than 16.35 seconds to develop the prints. Now mean is given by mean mu is equal to 16.28. Standard deviation sigma is equal to 0.12 second. Find the probability that it will take less than the second 16.35 to develop prints. Okay, so probability of x less than 16.25. When x is equal to 16.25, then z is equal to, z is a normal variate, then x minus mu divided by sigma is equal to, x is 16.25 minus 16.25 or 35, 16 point, x is 16.35. The question is 16.35. So here 35 divided by standard deviation is 0.12. X minus mu divided by sigma is equal to 0.007. 0.007 15.7. So 0.07 divided by 0.12 is equal to, multiply numerator denominator by 100, we get 7 divided by 12 into 100 into 100. Next, 7 divided by 12 is 0.583. Z is equal to 0, x equal to mu. Now in this case 0.583. Right hand side positive. Therefore Z is equal to 0.583, which is less than 16.25. Probability of x is less than 16.25. So is equal to, in terms of Z, the probability of Z is less than 0.583. 0.583. Now less than, so minus infinity, this side plus infinity, less than means This means Z is less than 0.583 means probability of 0 is minus infinity to this 0, less than Z less than 0 plus probability of 0 is less than Z less than 0.583 is equal to our portion is 0.5 plus 0 to 0.583 from the normal distribution table 0.2190. Adding these two we get 0.7190. The probability of the question is probability that it will have. So probability that it will take less than 16.35 seconds to develop print. Equal to prints is equal to 0.7190. Next, today homework. EX number 7.3, sum number 8, subdivision number 3, and sum number 10, subdivision number 1, and subdivision number 2. These are the homework problems. Send it out, reply the message. Thank you.